The Center for Executive Education here at Mercer is housed within the School of Business, the Stetson Hatcher School of Business. Our main role is to provide professional development, continuing education, and lifelong learning for students, the general public, alumni, anyone who's looking to take their existing skills to another level. Our initial programs coming up for September will be our FAA drone certification test prep course. The program is going to consist of about 12 different modules, and each of these will be covered by Dr. Choi and by John Granich, who is his partner in the presenting of this. The program, once completed, will allow each person to have those skills to be able to then sit for that exam. The Lean Six Sigma program will be the introductory program of Yellow Belt. Those who want to come on campus to Atlanta can do that, or we will offer it virtually. This program is available to just about anybody. It could be students, it could be individuals in the workforce, people who are looking to just improve their skills as it comes to process improvement. The Yellow Belt is more getting familiar with the terminology, what it means to reduce waste, to eliminate redundancy, and improve processes. So we're very excited to be introducing our Women in Leadership program. It's a series of 4 webinars, and we're currently in the middle of that right now, followed by 4 workshops that will be in person on the Atlanta campus with our partners within the School of Business and with the College of Professional Advancement. We have subject matter experts and faculty who are going to present these programs. So a number of topics that are certainly very relevant in today's world and just in general business as a whole. We are tying this all in with the Atlanta Business Chronicle. And I believe a lot of these skills that are being talked about is something that all of us can use, whether you're in a position where people are reporting to you or not. We have a number of other programs that are in the planning process that will come out either before the year is over or within the first 6 months of 2021.